going to go inside. I'm not going to. Don't go too slowly.
We're going to the beach. Ba't kasi nagbanlaw ka na agad, Ate Alisa?
The water is so cold.
Oo.
Okay, pala ano natin sila Tita Espen?
Alisa, tabi. Mom si Carla. Wow, yan na po si Mayora.
Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
Ewan.
Ito, are they still fishing?
I think so. With Kuya John and Tita Mo.
Dad, go fast.
No, ubo.
Jade is not even swimming. She's just on the
Parang gusto kong gumawa ng banana cue.
Ano?
Where's Jade? She's in the RV. Nobody's swimming with you, Amy.
I'm gonna swim.
Who?
Huh?
And my dad. You like the swimming? It's very fun.
Oh, ang lamig ng ano.
But you have no swimming suit.
Dito na suot ko.
She can take
Parang
off
ang lamig
her
nga
shirt.
ng tubig.
You can take off the bra. The water is
No.
very cold. Mommy, the water is very cold.
Wala, kung hindi
You
ako
will
liligo.
freeze. You're gonna freeze.
Kahapon, banas na banas ako.
Pangit naman paliguan yung ganyan tubig.
Wow. Anong pinapaliguan mo sa Pilipinas? Sa kawa-kawa ka lang
Ikaw,
naliligo.
malinis yun. Ito kasi mabuhay.
Hoy! Anong malinis yun?
When I catch the fish, I leave that chipmunk. I leave that chipmunk. Chipmunk.
Ayun na oh, si nanay ah.
It's a chipmunk. It's a chipmunk. 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 Chipmunk.
Ayun sila ah.
Chipmunk. Chipmunk. Chipmunk.
Hmm?
Chipmunk.
Ayan.
Okay, yun.
Chipmunk.
Mm-mm.
That is the floaty.
Nakaligo ka namin.
It's so different. That's the floaty.
Ayan na si Doña Beth. Nasa na sina ate?
Look at the floaty.
Dire-diretso ka na kung gusto mo. Babalik ka na ba doon? Pagbabakbak yung mukha man niya, lagyan mo.
That's a last thing.
Bawa na ini.
That's your last thing. That's your last thing. Give me the floaty. I'm going to swim with that. Now. Give me that.
Hi ate.
Hi. I'm going swimming. Whoa. Where's the... Ah! Give me that. Ready? There's a little bit of poop in the water. Then go in.
Ay, Alisa, naligo ka
Go
na.
in. I just oiled my feet.
Okay, say hi muna.
Whoa.
Hi ate. Uy, wait lang.
Go in. I need to take off my shoes. Go in. You can bring your drink there. Oh, I'm not putting the drink there. Wait. I take off my shoes. I gotta take off my shoes.
I-time,
Go, buddy.
Hi Pogi.
You gotta take your